In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set up two monitors or dual monitors on Windows. First step is to connect the monitor cables. Plug your second monitor into a power outlet and connect the video cable from the second monitor to an available port on your PC. This could be HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, or USB. Now, let's instruct Windows how to manage dual displays. Right-click on the Windows desktop, select Screen Resolution. In the dialog box, choose to extend the display to make your two screens act as one. Specify the display's arrangement using multiple display pull-down menu. For Windows 10 and 11, right-click on your Windows desktop and select Display Settings. In the Settings window, click on Identify to see which monitor is which. Drag and arrange the display icons to match your physical setup. And use Multiple Displays drop-down menu to choose how the display should work together, such as extend these displays. Drag the screen icons in the Display Settings window to match the physical arrangement of your monitors. And this step ensures that moving the mouse cursor between monitors feel natural. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.